Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to colorize black and white photos with Vance AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and enter vanceai.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already logged into your Vance AI account to access its powerful features, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Scroll down to explore the array of capabilities Vance AI offers. Choose AI Photo Colorizer and click on Start Now. Step 4. Click to upload and select the black and white photo you want to enhance. Then click Start to Process to begin the colorization process. Wait until it's done processing the image. And here, you can see the before and after of your black and white photos. Now, simply click on Download Image to obtain your beautifully colorized photo. It's that simple to bring new life to your photos with Vance AI's colorization capabilities. Relive your memories in vibrant detail once again. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.